How to shop online for relatives in Afghanistan from TekDukan. 1. Visit www.tekdukan.com. 2. Start browsing and add items to cart. 3. Once you did that, click on Checkout. 4. We suggest you to make an account with TekDukan for future shop. If you don't want to make an account, just enter your email. 5. Fill delivering address. This address will be for the person you're going to shop for. 6. Once you finish, click Continue to delivering method. 7. Click on Continue payment. 8. Choose how you want to pay. You can pay with a card, PayPal, and TransferWise. 9. Billing address. Click on Use a different billing address. Here you add details about yourself and not the person you send the items to. 10. Click on Review Order and you will get an email confirming we got your order. If you didn't get an email, that means your order has been declined and you will get a refund. It is that simple and easy. Again, we recommend you to make an account with TekDukan. If you have any question or need help with anything, send us email or send us a message on social media at TekDukan.